Hi everyone, I'll be having a look at Mango Walk, a Trinity College Grade 1 piece, the candidates part. One of my students are playing this for her exams and she's struggling with a second section where we do the hands together part, that part there. So we'll be having a look at the entire piece just to go over and revise. I'm going to use more or less the same fingering as we get in the book, but it's up to you. It's just to show you how the hands move and which notes. Alright, let's have a look, take a look at the notes. We're going to start here with our fifth finger on D, 5, 4, over, 3, 5, 3, 1, 4, 2 there, 5 on G. Now 5, 4, 5, 4, over again, 3, 5, 3, 1, 4, 4, 3, 5. Right, now thumb 2, 1, 2 and thumb. Now we're going to do 1, 3, 1, move up both, and together. So the right hand move there, we're going to do it again. 2, move up 1, now very important, left, right, left, right, left, right. Holding down this note, second finger, third finger there.